Always there for me and always do everything for me, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I don't know, I think it's been 1 year since the first day we know each other, right? About 1 year? Yeah, and I wish that we could stay like this for a really long time. Forever? Nah. As long as you guys can. Okay? So this birthday is like so special to me, so thank you.
ไม่เป็นไร
ขอบคุณที่มาหากันวันนี้เด้อ
谢谢今天你能来找我。
มึงมาฮะ
明年